Hi illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. Today, in honor of Easter, we are going to draw an Easter egg character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials and let's get started. All right illustrators, here we go with our chick in an egg illustration. The first thing we want to do is we want to draw the top of the egg. And this egg is going to be open. Obviously, we're going to see the chick peeking out. So we're going to do a zigzag bottom edge here. All right, and now we'll build on our chicken's head. So we're going to start on this side. We'll come down, across, and back up. So it's like the top of the egg is like the chick's hat. All right, now for the face of our chicken, we'll start with the beak. Make like an upside down letter U there. And we'll finish that off at the bottom with like a smile shape. And then a regular letter U. All right, now our chick is going to have two circles for eyes, but we're going to make these smiling eyes. So we're going to make a partial circle and a little line there to indicate that our chick is smiling. And we'll do that same thing on the other side for the other eye. Partial circle here, and then that line for the cheek. Two eyebrows. And this is a little chick. We want to put just a little indication that we've got some feathers happening here. So just a couple little accent lines here for some feather detail. And we could also add a little decoration to the egg here, like it was decorated. All right, now we're going to add on the wings. And from here, we'll add the top edge of the bottom half of the egg. So we're going to do the same thing that we did up here, the zigzag line. We're going to do that for this next part as well. So we're just going to create a zigzag that connects these two wings all the way across. And from there, we'll want to finish off the bottom part of the egg. And just like up top, we can add a little detail for some decoration on the egg here. And a little indication of some ground here so that our egg isn't floating. You can add some grass blades if you want your egg to be outside. All right, illustrators, there's the outline of our little chick coming out of an egg. The next thing we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our chick and an egg character. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators. I hope that you all had a lot of fun drawing your Easter egg characters. Happy Easter, and I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!